Today I'm going to make this organization structure with picture in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Open a new page, so press Ctrl N of your keyboard and go to Insert menu. In this illustrations group, click SmartArt. There are many types of SmartArt graphic. Now I take this hierarchy type of SmartArt, and in hierarchy I choose this hierarchy and click on OK. In this text box we can insert our information, so I click here and then write here principal. I type here vice principal. Next, coordinator. Vice principal, it has two parts. One is a supervisor, next one is management. Coordinator has also two parts. One is teacher, another is account. So to create the next shape, click this shape and right click here and go to add shape options, and to insert the right side of this shape, click add shape after. Another is account. In supervised sections, it has also two parts. So click this supervisor box, right click and go to add shape, and now click below. For the next shape, right click here and add the shapes and click add shape after. Now the sections are, one is +2 label, another is secondary label. Management has also two parts. So click on management and right click and click add shape, click add shape below. Again right click here this blank text and click add shape, and if you want to insert right side of this shapes, you can click add shape before. Then type your information, hostel, another is scholarship. It has also two group, one +2 label and secondary level. So click in this teacher's shape and right click here and click add shapes and click add shape below. To the next shape, right click here in this text box and click add text, and for the right of the shape, click add shape after and start to type here +2 label, next secondary label. After finish, you click outside of the shapes. Done. Now I want to change the orientation of the page, so go to layout and click on orientation, and now I take a landscape, and I also increase the margin, so I click margin and take a narrow margin. The text is saying very small, so I click this shape and move the mouse pointer on this point. When it divide into the two arrow, at that time click mouse pointer and drag. This way we can increase the text. If you want to increase more than this text size, go to home and manually you can click your required text size. Right click this 14 size. If you want to change this line color, you click the line and press shift and click other lines. Click here and click here, then click this way. Select the line and go to format menu. In this shape style group, you go to this shape outline down arrow and choose the required color. Now I make red colors. If you want to insert arrow in this line in, go to shape outline again and click arrow and choose your suitable arrows. Now I take this one side arrow and click outside. If you want to insert picture with name, click this chart and go to SmartArt design menu, and you will see here layout groups. Click this down arrow and go to more layout option and go to office.com and choose picture organization chart and click on OK. To insert the picture, click picture icon of this shapes and go to from file, choose your picture's location. I have picture on my desktop, so I go to desktop and pp photos. Now I insert these pictures for samples and select 8. Again go to formats. I insert these 2 pictures, again 3. Last one, click pictures icon, click from file and choose your pictures, then click insert and then click outside of the shapes. This way we can easily create organization chart in Microsoft Word. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.